we have to evaluate this, right? So first thing, let me rewrite the expression here. Let me write this expression here. We have 1 over 6 times 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 1 minus 7 over 8. Now, whenever you are solving this kind of a problem, you start with the one at the down here. You start from the down here, okay? You start from the down here. So, if I'm to bring this one out, I will have 1 minus 7 over 8, okay? From our normal mathematics, we know that this one is the same thing as 1 over 1, right? 1 divided by 1 will still give me 1. So if I'm to find the LCM of 1 and 8, that will give me what? 8. Okay? 8 divided by 1, that is what? 8. 8 times 1, that will give me 8. Minus 8 divided by 8, that will give me what? 1. 1 times 7 will give me 7. So here I have what? 8 minus 7 will give me 1 over 8 here, right? Okay? So I will now replace everything here. You know, everything here is equals to what? 1 over 8, right? So I will replace everything here with what? 1 over 8. Then I will have something like this. 1 over 6 times 1 over 8 divided by 1 over. Now everything here is summarized to be what? Summarized to be 1 over 8. 1 over 8. This one, this is it. This division, this is it. 6 times 1, 6 times 1 over 8 divided by 1 over this one, this is it. So everything here is summarized to be 1 over 8, right? So the next thing is I want to tackle this one now. The next thing is to solve this. Is to bring this one out. So if I'm to bring this one out, mind you, this will be the numerator divided by this will now be the denominator here, okay? This will be the denominator. Why this will be the numerator? So I will have 1 over 1 over 8, right? So this will be the numerator, this will be the denominator. So this will be 1. This is also this division, I can also write it like this, divided by what? 1 over 8. That is numerator divided by denominator, okay? So this will be 1. If this division here change to multiplication, it will give me times 8 over 1. That is, this one at the down here will come up. That is, 8 will come up while 1 will come down. So 8 times 1 will give me 8 divided by what? 1. And 8 over 1 is equals to what? 8. That is, everything here is equals to what? Is equals to 8. Everything this one is not among. Oh. This one doesn't among. But everything here, excluding this, everything here is equals to what? Is equals to 8. Okay? So I will replace everything here to be equals to 8. Then I will have 1 over 6 times 1 over 8 divided by, yes, as I've said that everything here is equals to what? 8 divided by 8. I hope we are following, okay? So next thing is to bring this one out. 8 divided by 8. You know, 8 divided by 8 is same thing as 8 over 8, okay? And that will give me 1. So everything here again is equals to what? 1. I will replace it with 1. I will have 1 over 6 times 1 over. Now everything is equals to 1, right? 1. Then here I have what? 1 over this one. 6 times 1 divided by 1 will give me what? 1. Okay. So this give me what? 1 over 6 times 1 will give me what? 6. Okay. So our final answer is equals to what? 1 over 6. And the best option and the option for this is what? And the correct option is what? Option A. Option A, that is the correct option. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Consider to share to your loved ones, comment, and subscribe as well. Thank you. See you in my next video.